Jensen-Healey to 17.9. So what we can see here is progress.
Well, as you'd expect from the British sports car industry, that's very good. That's even better.
Yeah.
That's even, the cars have come on decade by decade.
And now it's time to find out how fast the Stig can go around in this Peugeot 205 GTI.
Doesn't look like a GTI.
No, I couldn't get a GTI, so I got a diesel. They're basically the same.
Yeah, same thing pretty much.
Yeah. Okay, Stig, start it up. The Stig wound up the Peugeot and began his flying lap. Here we go, and...
Timing.
Go! Okay, we're off. I think the reason I couldn't get a GTI, I suspect, is because they've all rusted away, or been crashed, or fallen to pieces.
Well, the handling was terrible on there, so they were crashed a lot.
Oh. Any faults with your car? Any faults with yours?
No, and did you know in the whole history of TVR there is no recorded incident of one ever breaking down?
I've heard that. And here he comes. Yes.
Go on. 209, 215, 217 for us.
222.0.
Point, I think.
I don't think we need to go on.
Let's be honest.
Which we all know
Exactly. Well, we seem to have another challenge here. I don't know what it can possibly say. You will drive from the Lotus factory, which is now owned by the Malaysians because the British made such a mess of everything when they were in charge. That's not strictly true. To the grave of TVR in Blackpool via the site of the long-gone Jensen factory in the West Midlands. This is a journey of 280 miles, and that in kilometres is 5,000.
Yeah, just over.
Which is impossible in your cars, but no problem at all for the Stig, who will be shadowing you in a practical, well-made, much faster Vauxhall Astra GSI.